guys, and welcome back to another Meals of the Week video. 7 plant-based meals that are really easy to make. Got a new one that we've not tried before, and some, well, one old favourite which I tend to do quite a lot, but I just vary it slightly. The ones that I've got off of Pinterest, I'll put the link down below, and then any books that I get the recipes from, again, I will put the link down below so that you can have a look at them. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you all next week. So for today's dinner, we've got vegetable chilli on a jacket potato. So in that chilli, there's onion, carrots, pepper, celery, sweet potato, parsnip, pinto beans and red kidney beans, just to get a different variety in there. And then the spices and some tin tomatoes, and then I've just got it with a little bit of salad, and that's what we've got for our dinner tonight. So for today's dinner, we've got tofu and rice. It's a bit like a sweet and sour tofu. The sauce has got miso, soy sauce, maple syrup and rice wine vinegar, and then I've also got some peppers in there and red onion. Sometimes I do it with some peas in the rice or edamame beans, but I haven't today. I've got some French beans or green beans served with it, and then over the top I've just put some sesame seeds. For our dinner today, we've got a vegetable biryani. It's a recipe that I got off of Pinterest, which I'll try and remember to link it down below. But it's rice, new potatoes, cauliflower, onion, pepper, garlic, celery, peas, carrots, did I say that? Yeah, it's so easy, it's all done in one pan. Oh, and I added some green beans as well, which isn't in the recipe, but I had some, so I added them in. And then we've just got some naan bread with it. So for today's dinner, we've got pasta. It's the stuffed pasta. It's this make that I get from Tesco. And then I've added on some pesto. I've actually added on this one. We don't normally get this one. We normally have the Tesco own one because we actually think it's tastier and it's like half the price of this one. But I've been into 2 Tesco and neither of them had any, so I had to get this one. And then I've just fried some mushrooms with some garlic, and then boiled some broccoli, and then I've just got some garlic ciabattas there. And that is what we have for our dinner this evening. So this is what we have for our dinner this evening. Now I'm not sure how you pronounce it, so I'll put it up on the screen, and I'll link the recipe down below because I got it off of Pinterest. But it's rice and lentils with some spices and caramelised onion. And then I've just got a wedge of lemon and a bit of Greek style vegan yogurt. I've not had it before, but it smells amazing, so I'm hoping it's going to taste just as good. But that is what we have for our dinner this evening. So this is probably the most easiest meal. I don't feel particularly well today. I've got a bit of a cold, so I've just done some veggie fingers, which I did in the air fryer. These ones take 7 minutes. Some new potatoes that I've sort of quartered and I've roasted. Didn't even parboil them, just put them straight in the oven with some oil and salt for about 40 minutes. And then I've just done some baked beans, and that's what we've got for dinner today. And then I do have lots of spare potatoes as well, but they are really nice if you eat them cold the next day. So that is our dinner for this evening. So for today's dinner, we've got lasagna and some garlic bread. So the lasagna is a Linda McCartney recipe out of her cookbook, and then the garlic bread is just a Tesco garlic bread. And that is what we have for our dinner this evening.